Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Nagbabalik na naman ako. Cebuana Maris, Filipina Life in Ireland. Nagbabalik. Ito, ngayon ay Wednesday at walang masyadong ganap. Kita nyo naman, napakakulimlim dito sa Ireland, guys, kasi ano na, malapit na yung winter kasi malamig na, guys. Pupunta kami sa park ngayon, dalhin namin si baby sa park. Hindi kasi siya nakapasok kasi meron siyang may lagnat siya. Konti lang naman yung lagnat niya, thank God. So ngayon okay na si baby, ready na siya for park. Waterproof lahat yung sinusuot niya, guys. Say hi to everyone. Good boy. Hintay-hintay lang tayo sa aking boyfriend, guys. See you. Guys, nandito na kami sa park. Quiet lang ngayon kasi malamig na dito sa Ireland, guys. Quiet lang. Yung park nila. Oh. You wanna go to the swing? Dixon! Come on! Not feeling well kasi si baby, guys. Come on, mommy! Run! Run! What's wrong? You go to the slide, go. Come on, slide. Go to the slide. Dito na kami, guys. Kita nyo. Ang lamig, guys. Mahangin. Slide. Alas big. Come on, go to the slide up. Down. Slide.
Oh, down the slide.
Slide. Quick. Quick. 1, 2, 3. Go. Ito lang libangan nila dito, guys, kasi wala siyang kalaro sa bahay, so kailangan namin siyang dalhin sa park.
We go around here. That's right.
Waterproof lahat ng suot niya. Good boy, Hickson. Wow. I like your shoes, my love. Wow. Go to the slide.
Go to the slide, son.
Cheeky boy here. Slide! Go, go, go! Woo! Goodbye! Ito ako. Ang lamig, guys. Ang lamig. Nilalamig siya. Kailangan namin ng warm body. Tingnan yung suot ko, guys. Laki ng coat ko, diba? Kailangan natin ng malaking coat kasi malamig na, guys. Tingnan nyo si baby. Yeah. Good boy, Hickson. Tingnan nyo, guys. May zipline dito. Nasa zipline sila. Yung play park nila dito, guys, made of wooden. Napaka-amazing, diba? Ang ganda. Lahat made of wooden, guys. Oh. Wooden, lahat wood. Very nature. Hi, the sun is out. Be careful! Woo! My God! Dito lang ako guys, opo. Kasi hindi sa akin tong playground. Para to kay baby. Tingnan nyo, may ano sila, swing sa likod ko. Maganda siya kapag may sun. Pero kapag walang sun, useless yung hammock. Tingnan nyo si baby at sa daddy. What's this? Where are you going? You gonna try the hammock? Ah, daddy. Daddy, swing. Yeah. The baby swing. Baby swing.
Baby swing. Small baby swing.
Baby swing.
Baby swing.
Baby swing, come on.
We'll walk these first. Here. Oh yeah. Here, look. We'll walk up there.
Yoo! Tignan nyo guys, walang lahat dito. May ano dyan, may ulo. Goodbye! Wow! Ganda dito guys. Tahimik lang siya. That's all. I feel dizzy now. That's enough. Enough. I feel dizzy. So nice. Look at you. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang ganda ng mga ibon. Are they hungry?
Partner. Or little.
Uy!
Ready? Getting your head now.
Ooh, round and round.
Come on. We're going to see the lake.
Guys, naglalakad kami dito sa Rosemore Park. Tignan nyo guys.
There's a wishing well around here.
Gusto ni baby, look at. Baby, come on, you go. Quick. Come on. Yes, come on. Nilalakad namin yung, malaki kasi dito yung Rosemore, guys. No, you're not going to jump in the water, no? Malaki dito, guys. Meron siyang lake dito. Ipapakita ko sa inyo, okay? Show you around. Meron kasing castle dito dati. So, ayan.
Make a wish.
Maraming coins dito. Where are all the coins?
Maybe, I don't know, maybe they're stolen. Oh, don't go in that sauna. Careful falling out.
All gone. Let's go.
Sa mo si big water.
Ito yun. Rosemore.
Nice view in the minute. I'll take the big hill.
Yeah, meron siyang merong history dito, guys. Malapit lang to sa amin, guys. Dito kami naglalakad. Ang ganda dito, guys. Where are we walking? Up here or over there? Okay. Tignan nyo, guys. Wow. Over here, baby.
Baby, here.
Hickson.
We're going to go into the shade. Do you want to go up real high there or do you want to go around the back of the lake? No. You can see the head from here. That takes around where the head is. You know, the head.
We walk her. Before, guys, dyan kasi yung castle nila. The castle was there before, yeah?
Yeah, Rossmore Castle.
Yeah, walk in the grass. Come on.
Come on.
Maganda yung view sa taas, guys. Napakita ko sa inyo. Guys, yan yung lake, guys. Oh. Ito nyo ba yan? Meron silang statue doon. Big head.
No man.
Another man.
No man.
Yan na dito, guys. You wanna go up more or just right there? Oh, yeah. So, ayan, guys.
Man.
Yeah. You can do fishing here.
Yeah, the big man over there, man's head.
Man's head,
So
yeah.
big.
So big. So the castle was before, was there before.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's gone now, guys.
Man.
Yeah,
It's
man.
gone, yeah.
So nice. So, babalik na tayo sa car, guys. Punta kami ng town. See you! Nandito na kami sa bahay. Kakain na kami at magluluto ngayon si my love ng kanyang specialty. Sweet chili chicken. Siya na magluluto, guys.
Okay, we're going to cook sweet chili chicken today. It's one of my favourite meals. So, this is what we're going to be using. We've got a packet of chicken pieces here. Oh, very
Chicken
nice.
fillets?
Yeah, chicken fillets. And we're going to be using one onion, about 5 medium-sized mushrooms. For our sauce, we're going to be using 5 small cherry tomatoes and just half of a red chili pepper. A red pepper. So I'm going to get this started here and cut all these up, and I'll see you in a bit.
Papakita na namin ang aming ingredients sa sweet chili chicken.
Okay, I've all the ingredients cut up now. We're just ready for it to add to the pan. But first we have to cook the chicken lightly, and then once it's cooked for a few minutes, we're going to add these ingredients here. So let's get the chicken on the pan. Okay, we're just going to add the chicken now. The pan is already heated. Okay. I think that should be enough. Yeah. We're going to add just a little bit of seasoning now while the chicken is lightly frying.
Yummer. Just a little bit of salt.
And a little sprinkle of pepper. Ooh. I'm just going to cook these for a couple of minutes just to seal in the flavour.
Yummer. Yummer.
Oh yeah. Okay guys, I'm going to give you a top tip here. This chicken has been cooking for a couple of minutes now, so you don't have to cut your chicken when it's raw. It's easier to cut it when you have it in the pan. Watch this. Once it's cooked a little bit, it's very easy to cook to cut your chicken like this. And it'll ensure that your chicken is cooked as well, because it's easier to cook it when it's small than in large pieces. So just break your chicken up like this, cut it up. Now we're going to add our other ingredients. So now we're going to add our tomatoes. As I said, there's about 5 tomatoes here, I think. 1 onion. about 5 or 6 mushrooms and half of a red pepper. Now we're going to toss this about a little bit. I'm going to let it all cook here for about 5-10 minutes. See you in a bit.
Update na natin ang niluluto ni my love.
Okay guys, just a little update. We've been cooking here for about, I'd say about 10 minutes. And as you can see, everything is starting to reduce a little bit and blend into each other. I've just cut the chicken up a little bit more. Now we're gonna add a little bit of chili sauce. So that's all we need.
Special, secret,
Secret
recipe, ingredients ni my love.
Okay, so we've added the chili sauce. Give it a good stir up. And we're going to let this cook for another few minutes. And then we're going to reduce it. Remember, the main ingredient here is actually tomatoes. That's what makes it so healthy, yeah? Tomatoes are king. Back in a few minutes.
Guys, check na natin ang food.
As you can see, I've taken the lid off the frying pan, so we're going to reduce the liquid in it now by taking the lid off, and we're going to let this cook for another couple of minutes on a very low heat, and then our sweet chili will be ready for eating. Yum yum.
Yum yum. Yum yum. Tapos na guys. Ito na siya. Kain na kami. Go.
Okay guys, it's ready. It's reduced. All the flavors are inside the meat and everything else. Yum, yum. So now you know my secret recipe for chili chicken. Look at those tomatoes. Huh?
Yummer.
Peppers. Oh my god. So nice.
Yum.
I'm not giving Maurice any. All for me.
Okay, kakain na kami guys. We're eating now. Eating. Eating.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
Kakain na kami. Sweet chili chicken. And rice, syempre. Ito kay my love. Wow. Yummers. Eating. Kain na kami guys. Let's go now, my love.
Wait.
Here I am. Tapos na kumain si baby guys. Inuna ko na siya para mag-enjoy naman ako sa aking kakainin. Water and juice. Water for me. Vitamins for my love. Meron siyang vitamins dyan sa water niya guys. So kain na kami guys. Eating.
Eating. Can't wait.
Yum yum. Kain na kami. Hi guys! If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye!